Cool Kicks YouTube channel, visiting Target. Not really. Westfield Topanga, let's go. Dude got a chance right here. Let's go. Starting with the Jordan section or the Team Jordans. But yeah, got a bunch of stuff on sale. Nothing that most people are looking for. I don't even know the names of most of these, to be really honest. This is one of the Max Auras, the Max Aura 5s, I guess. But yeah, 2 trays right there. Chambres 11 low IEs. Nothing too crazy. We have been seeing these on sale at Foot Locker. Not Champs though, but at Foot Locker. Last mall vlog that I did see, we saw pretty much everything here on sale. I think most of the stuff here on sale. I don't see any hella cheap ones like I did at the Champs outlet as I bought. And it's cool because they had an 11.5 and one of you guys bought it. One of the viewers bought it. That was pretty fire. I did get a comment or a message or so. I don't remember. But yeah, these are on sale. I remember these coming out, I feel like yesterday. And then the Digicamo also still on sale. Checking out Borders. You just never know nowadays. Dude got stuff on sale. At least 20% off. That's what's up. Nothing crazy. But yeah, I would definitely follow their Instagram, see if they have any new releases. And then also come here the day after. Day after, they have been doing first come, first serve on things the day after. And I've been able to pick up a couple of Nike SBs lately, including these. But these have been released like 10,000 times. But I'm a fan of those Nike SB Dunks right there. They got me way intrigued. I'm like, what? Shoe is $20 to $30. What shoe? There's some brands that like we don't really know of like that, right? There's no way. There's no way. Those are dope sneakers. Dude got New Balances. These are the 808s. And 110, 30% off. Thiago Limos, I guess that's the signature skater for this one. 30% off. So what's that, like 80 bucks, something like that? 440s right here, and it shows exactly what sizes are left over. Got some Jamie Foys right here. These are 306s, and these are 30% off as well. So these are not the $20 to $30 shoes. iShaws, we've been seeing these like crazy here. 20% off for these. 20% off of what, 80? Oh, this is the Blazer GTs, my bad. Blazer GTs, the Grant Taylors. And these are $80. You get 30% off. It's a mixture of suede and canvas on the back. Then got all the iShots right here going for. This is 55. Most of them are 65, it looks like. Yeah, 65, 55. And it just goes on and on. They've released a ton of those. One of the Telford lows that I've been checking out here and there. 85, 30% off for those bad boys. These are the Lakais right here. Some shell toes right here. These bad boys 30% off, 80. Trying to see if they have anything crazy. What the hell are these? Got some boost on it. I don't know what the hell they are. Okay. They got skates on sale, roller skates. Guess coming back, becoming a thing now. I was so unstable the last time I went. I think I went last year. Yeah, and I was unstable the entire time. Those are going for like 120. These are got the straps on top. I don't know how much those are going for. I don't really see. Oh, so 140, get an extra 20 off and stuff. Wasn't able to find the $20 to $30 ones. I'm sure they're somewhere. We are at the bougie section of the mall. Cartier right there. This is the four corners of the super expensive spots. Got Louis Vuitton right there, Tiffany, and then Gucci in this intersection. And then the anchor on this side is Neiman Marcus. Doesn't really get much more expensive than that. Then we got Topanga Social right here, which is super popular. It's just a glorified food court with super bougie food, super genius, because that's what the kiddos are into. Right next to that, we do have a shoe palace. Starting off in the women's section, 270s right here. Look at this. Look at this. 120 for these. Usually, most spots only have smaller sizes because this is a women's. But yeah, if they had big sizes, you know, it'd be all over these. 130 for these. These are a Jordan 1 High OG as well. I got lows going for 80. Air Max 1s right here down to $80, not bad. And then finally, like just generic Nikes. They should be cheap. They should be cheap, you know. But yeah, but they want to be a premium products. I don't blame them, but I'm just saying, like, we should not be paying like 80, 90, 100 bucks for these. I'm just saying. Lakers Air Force Ones. Got basketball texture, like, these are interesting. These are interesting. You know, I'm a huge Lakers fan, but I'm like, I don't know. These just ain't it. They not it. These 90s right here, these are fire, dude. Fire, color blocking, just, man. Powder blue is just sick. What are Air Max 90s going for what? 140 or something? 150? I don't know. I don't even know. University blue Dunk Low Twist going for 125. Oh, even these starting to go on sale now? $80 for the Twist Dunks Triple Black. Okay, okay. Still got the Jordan 1 OGs, and you know, that's not much of a surprise with the way things are going. 2s also on sale. We've been seeing a ton of 2s on sale lately. Haven't seen these on sale too many spots, but these are down to 130. We've been seeing that at Shoe Palace. And these have been on sale at some other spots. These are down to 120 here. And then Dude got these bad boys. These are the bread toes that everybody's going crazy for during the pandemic. These are going for 115. And we got, what is this, some University Red or something? Okay. If Power Rangers are your thing, 2 for 15, I guess. I know all you 90s babies love that because that's what y'all grew up with. This is $20, and it's actually embroidered and everything. Does not even look cheap, and that's actually pretty dope. I'm not even into Power Rangers, but I like the quality. I can appreciate the quality and stuff. That is not bad. They got small, medium, and small, medium, large. So they got some sizes for $20. Dude, whoever makes their hoodies, like, they've been premium. They really have been nice. Then I see starter stuff on sale, $70 for the starter jackets. Got Cowboys right here. I see medium. I see plenty of sizes. Oh, got medium, large, extra large. Are the Dodgers ones on sale too? Dodgers, yeah, they're on sale for $70. So for $70, I think these are normally like $120. These are Pro Standard ones too. Pro Standards, got large, extra large. Are these on sale too? Starter jackets right here. Starter Dodgers jackets right here. Yep, $50. $50. That's a medium. Got a large. Check your local Shoe Palaces, yo. Definitely check your Shoe Palaces. Got Pro Standard right here. And these are down to $70. Pro Standard stuff, like super, super nice material, man. They always use top-notch products. Have y'all heard of Golden Goose? I think it's like a super bougie sneaker spot. Probably a bunch of sneakers that I don't even recognize. But yeah, they got one here, and they have one at Americana. Never been inside. I don't know, let me know. Dude got a JD, and then we got a Foot Locker after too. Club JD Sports right here. They got some Solutions, but the reduced section's not really seeing much. 2002 Rs, I guess, pretty decent for these to be on sale because they don't really go on sale. But look at this. Look at this. It says the reduced section, no sale. I guess these are on sale, but we've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Grinches. You know, someone said they look like the Home Alones. They kind of do, like material-wise and color-wise and stuff. But yeah, okay. 2s right here, slight sale. Just nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Dude got a nice selection of New Balances. Got 90s, 60s right here. Got 574s. Oh, Nikes. Why are there Nikes right here? But yeah, dude got, what are these? The 2002 Rs. See a few more of those on sale. Also got these 1906s, which I'm really not familiar with. But dude got those bad boys right there on sale. 574s right here. Starting to see a few on sale. Not super steep though, unfortunately. They got the P6000 of Vomeros that kind of look like the New Balances. They threw them right next to the New Balances. And then Air Maxes have just tanked in popularity lately. I think the younger kids just ain't digging the Air Maxes like that. Like even these dope colorways, 97s right here, 95s. Got Shoe Palace looking colorway right here, but yeah, I got a bunch of them on sale, man. Have a, what the hell is this? A Fila prototype? Never heard of this. Looks like some sort of electric car. It says it's a Sony Honda mobility project. I guess it hasn't debuted yet. Oh, they're gonna, it says notice of filming, so they're gonna do a commercial or something here or something. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to come back, see what the hell that is. Dude got a Foot Locker last store. Interesting, because this is their Jordan section right here. Dude got, they got some J's, you know, the threes right here. I really like these threes. I kind of wonder if I should have grabbed those, but kind of tight on funds right now. But then I look around and look, they got grade school. They got grade school here. It's a 4Y right here. That's what's up. That is what's up. I found a couple of these at the outlets, which was definitely interesting. Nothing too crazy at Foot Locker though. I've been checking, been looking around. They got quite a few dunks. I think that's like that at most spots, but nothing too crazy. There is one more store I do want to stop by though. And then I have been scouring all the Pro Image Sports because been finding some crazy deals. But like I said, they are franchise owned, so it's a definitely hit or miss. Yeah, and this is what I want to see if they have a clearance section, because they have been clearancing. Oh my goodness, see, why do they gotta torture me like this, huh? $9. Like I don't want an NFC Conference Championship shirt. Oh, damn, dude, Niners, y'all make me mad, dude. You got Niners gear, but not, man. Yeah, last thing I want is a Super Bowl thing. This looks like a women's shirt. I don't know how much that is. No, this one's almost free. That is a small though. Oh, but they got other sizes. They got a medium. I don't want it. Lakers windbreaker 100 down to 50. Got a couple of those, or a few of them. Braves Nike t-shirt, just 30. I don't think they've marked everything down yet. Lakers, so this is 47 brand, 50% off. Got Raiders, or got Ram stuff. I don't think everything's marked down though. It says up to 50% off. I wouldn't be surprised if everything isn't just 50% off. This is nice. This is a New Era jacket right here, $73. It's a double XL though, so that won't fit me. Pretty clean, decent material. USC hoodie right here, Lakers jacket right there, $85. Cowboys hoodie right here. This is way too huge. Yeah, it's a double XL. Yeah, they do got stuff on sale. Fortunately, don't know all the prices, but definitely worth checking. They do have clearance racks. Did walk into Zoomies, just kind of unexpected, because they had some stuff on sale that I hadn't seen before. I haven't seen these. It's like suede, and it says Cons on the back right here. I've never seen these. Got multiple colorways. I don't know the pricing, but they have stuff on sale right here. It says up to 70% off. SB Blue and High is $50. Obviously limited in sizing. Force 98s, or Force 58s right here. Pretty clean. Nike SBs. You know what I'm saying? These are going for $50. That's a size 12. They got some blazers right here, some blazer mids right here. These are down to $65. We've seen these. Not that big of a deal. Ice shots down to $50. Depends on the colorway. I saw another one up front going for $40. Got the 808s. I just saw these at that other spot at Borders. And these are down to $55 here. Okay. Seems like they just got all kinds of stuff on sale. Definitely worth checking out. If skate shoes are your thing, these are going for $50. Ice shots right here. They have a ton of stuff. Jamie Foy's down to $70 right here. Okay. This is primarily what I came here to see if they have any donut gear on sale. Because I saw a bunch of sale signs. Donut media. This is something that I do. My kid and I, we watch a lot of their videos online on YouTube. because they do have stuff on sale. Look, beanies, buy one get one free. Got donut ones right here, right there. And then I saw this right here. Don't know if it meant to be here, but got donut merch right here. Might want to get one 50 off. Thinking about it. Just walked by that resale shop. Even they had sales 50% off their whatever price is. That's funny. I haven't seen that too much. Forgot to show what I'm wearing again. It is what this SB Dunk, Lowe's donut t-shirt, tech fleece. All right, that's pretty much about it. Yeah, we're getting the hell out of here, man. I gotta go have dinner. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Do drop tons and tons of videos. Check out some of these old videos right here. Go to tons of sneaker shops. Nike outlets. We check everything out. Sports apparel, whatever. But yeah. See you guys next one. Peace.